Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? So in this video, I'm going to be installing these passion twists, or some people call them spring twists, whatever you want to call them. I'm going to be using the new crochet method. So if you guys want to know how I did this, then keep on watching. Alright, so this is the pattern that I use to do my hair. So at the back I have corners just going down, like you know how you do crochet braids, and in front I have these single pleats, but that's not what we're gonna do, okay? So usually people will braid that part in front, and I don't know how to explain this, y'all, but it's usually, I don't know how to explain this, but it's really easy way to do this, and I thought it was such a neat way to do it, so I said, why not, let me try it. But what they do is they make sure that you're doing it in such a way that the braid part is separate, so it's not really like a cornrow. That way it makes the braids look a little bit realistic, like not realistic, but it makes the crochet look more like, it makes the crochet look like single braids, you know what I'm saying? So instead of using that method, I saw this girl on Instagram, she did it this way, so I was like, oh, you know, the easier way to do it, the better for me, okay? So anyway, so that's what I ended up doing. I'm just connecting those single braids with each other, okay? That way I'm giving an illusion that my braids are coming out as if it's single braids, but it's not really, it's just crochet. Okay, you get what I'm saying? I hope you guys get what I'm saying. So anyways, that's what I'm doing here. So I'm just gonna be twisting them together. As you can see, I'm twisting them together and I connect them at the end with each braid. So I have about 10 braids, I think. No, I have about 10 lines going back, but after I'm done doing that, I'm just gonna crochet the hair into the rest of the cornrows so that I can keep it secured. Excuse my daughter, she won't let me be great. All right, so this is what the hair looks like. Okay, bada boom, bada boom. All right, so this is the hair that I'm using. I got this hair from Amazon, and this is 1B. That's the color, and it's 18 inches long. I'm gonna put all the information in the description box. The direct link where I got the hair from, it's gonna be in the description box as well. But it's really pretty, it's soft, it's very easy to use, at least in my experience. By the time this video is going up, I've only had it for like a week, and so far it still looks good. There were 24 pieces per package, just so you guys know. So I don't know how much hair you would want in your head and all that jazz, but I used 4 packages. It was 4 packages. It came in 4 packages, so that's how much I used. You can use many as you want, as little as you want. And then to crochet, you guys, so many videos about crochet braids, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Okay, so I start with the back and I just do them however. I don't even have a method when it comes to the back, but in front, as you guys can see, I'm gonna make sure that I'm putting each braid where the illusion for the single braid is, you know what I'm saying? So like this part right here, you know, I don't know how to explain this, but I hope you guys can watch and see and understand. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. As you can see, just simple crochet method, and making sure it's going in those parts where it's gonna look like it's a single braid coming out. Okay. All right, and that's the finished look, and voila. Yes, I really love this hair, guys. I've been wanting to get these braids, but I just don't have the patience of sitting down for hours or even doing it myself for hours. I mean, one day maybe, but excuse the bobby pin, but I'm just showing you here how long it is. It comes right at my boobs, like a little bit below my boobs. It's long, and look at how it's looking. It's looking like, you know, I have single braids, but I don't really have single braids. And it was easy to install. It didn't take me like a long time, and that's how the back looks. And I'm just trying to show y'all like different hairstyles on how you can rock the hair. Okay, I really love the hair. You guys, let me know what you think. Please comment below, like this video if it was helpful, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I shall see y'all in my next video. Bye, guys.